All right. Custom frame part 2. No, updated version. Okay, so what I've noticed, thank you for the comment. I think what it was is that the PNGs that are being used are transparent, so that is an issue. I will show you what that means. So here I already downloaded a picture of some frames. So this is a frame, it's a PNG, and if you'll notice, I'll show you here, that it is actually a transparent PNG. What I'm going to do is I'm going to insert, insert, there is this drawing, inside drawing, there's a new. So in the new, it's going to open up a new pop-up that says drawing. This is where you can put in the custom frame that I want to put in. So here I'm going to take it, I'm going to paste it into the drawing. Inside the drawing, double click on the actual frame itself, so then you see a dark gray outline, and that is where this changes. This right here in the where it has the crop symbol, it says mask image. Click on the mask image, and this is where the magic happens, where I can actually where I can actually create my oval. Don't forget, click on the gray arrow, not gray arrow, the gray frame in order to make the arrow, to make the oval the shape that you want. But you'll notice in this mask, it will keep the transparent PNG. So it's like, okay, now what? Go ahead and save and close. We're going to save this as a PDF. So I'm going to print it as a PDF, right? I only want one. I don't know why it does 2 pages. So I only want the first page, right? And I'm going to save it. So I'm going to save it to here. Transparent PNG frame. Okay, so I did that. Now, this is where it gets kind of funny. I'm going to go to my Canva. I'm going to upload it, right? Where is it? I'm going to upload my transparent PNG into my Canva. It's going to go into your projects folder. Now I'm going to take it and I'm going to, oh, you know what? I'm going to change the background so we could see what's going on. I'm going to change it to gray. Good. Go back to the projects. I take my transparent PNG and I pop it in here. Notice that the background changed to white. Well, let's remove the background. Let's remove, what happened to this background? So I'm going to change it back to gray. See how it's both transparent? So when that happens, you can't detach it, right? You can't detach because it just sees it as a transparent PNG. In order to rectify this, what I did was I had to put it in Paint. So I put it in Paint first into Windows Paint. And from here, I put the background. I did the fill bucket, this fill bucket, and I'm going to right click on it. Because the right click is the white background. I want to do the white background because it's not as, it won't show as much if I do it in any other background. So I'm going to change it to a white background. See how I did that? And then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to crop my image. So I only have the one. I only need one, right? I only need one frame. But notice that now it's got a picture. Keep everything else the same because you want it to be a transparent PNG. The reason why is because notice right here, these are going to be transparent, so it will look like it's part of the picture, right? So I'm going to save it as a filled frame. So I'm going to save it. So now I've saved it. Go back to Google. I'm going to replace this image. So I'm going to delete it. I'm going to replace it. Insert, drawing, new. From here, I'm going to take my filled frame PNG. I'm going to plop it into the pop-up window. Notice that there's still the PNG, the transparent background in the top and inside the little ribbon area, but in the middle it's solid, so it's like an image. Now going back, I'm going to double click, change this to a masked image, go to my shapes, find my oval. There we go. Find my oval, shape my oval, which is the gray frame. And there we go. Okay. Save it and then print it, right? Print PDF, my pages, custom page, make it one page and save it. Once I save it, this is where I'm going to save it as frame. This is the frame that I want. Okay, so I'm going to save it. Now I go back to my Canva. Okay, so notice that this is the transparent PNG. I'm going to go back to my frame PNG, PDF, sorry, frame PDF. I'm going to upload it. So now I'm going to take my frame PDF and I'm going to place it onto my Canva. Notice that there's it changed to white and I can't see what's going on. But if I double click on it, see, that's the image. So what happened was it saved it as an image with a mask. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my background so we could see what we're doing. So I'm going to change it to this color. Okay, so there's the background. I'm going to delete that. We don't need that. And then this is the image that came from the frame PDF. This is, if I double click, this is the frame. Now, because I can do that, you can right click and detach the image. That was the issue. So take my oval, make my frame, whatever, and then I'm going to lock it just so I can do what I need to do. And then I'm going to see my positions. Oh, okay. So I can't find it. Now I got to move it. Move it forward, and then I'm going to readjust my picture. There we go. All right. There we go. That is the issue. So the issue is if you save it as a PNG, transparent PNG inside the frame, you're not going to be able to get it. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to insert my picture. So I'm going to take this picture. Where am I? There we go. And there we go. And that's it. So that was the issue. The issue was that if it's a transparent PNG, it will not save as an image. It won't save as a masked image. So there you have it. I hope that helps. Thank you again for the comment. If there's any other comments or questions, let me know and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Bye.